What would be the first thing you are going to do when you find yourself bored? Is it going outside for a run? Is it spending time on some hobbies? Or is it working on your goals and aspirations? Well, target set करने के बाद भी most of us end like this. Scrolling endlessly without any time limit, and the result? ऐसा लगता है इस टाइम में सोशल मीडिया लाइफ का एक बड़ा ज़रूरी हिस्सा है. So, are you ready to break the loop? I'm going to give you two options, and the choice is yours. I was 15 years old when we got our first screen touch phone in our house, and 18 when I got my first phone. And मैं बहुत excited थी to play games, watch movies, and install that WhatsApp in my phone. But then suddenly things started to change. There was a new thing that everyone started to use. Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. And जब सबके पास एक अकाउंट था तो मुझे लगा कि I must have it too. So I installed it and made my account too. To break this loop, I decided to delete social media, even YouTube, for 1 week. I know it may sound absurd, but trust me, it will allow to think out of the box. पिछले कुछ दिनों से I was using a lot of social media. Now you may say that I'm a creator and I have to, but I was consuming more than creating. And न जाने कब मुझे स्क्रॉल करने की आदत सी लग गई. सुबह की शुरुआत से लेकर पढ़ाई के बीच में, खाना खाते वक्त, and whenever I was free, had time for other things, I ended up scrolling endlessly every time I grabbed my phone. I used to make to-do list for the day, but at the end of the day, this was the output I was getting. Currently, I was out of ideas and competitive exam pressure is also high. So, to avoid these so-called problems, social media was distraction. And then I ended up feeling tired, sluggish, and unmotivated. पूरा टाइम स्क्रॉलिंग करना was already a bad thing, but the stuff I was scrolling, looking at these influencers, growing more followers, attending big events, being financially independent, and then I started comparing my life with others. They doing all the stuff, having it all organized, and I was scrolling till 1 a.m. in the morning and ended up feeling worthless. Not being able to do what I can and I want to do. But these repeated cycles demanded change. The first thing that hit me was FOMO. I had so many thoughts. Like, I have been growing new followers recently. The dead account was somehow started, but had to take the step to get my life on track. सच बताऊँ तो स्टार्टिंग में मुझे इतनी नीड नहीं लगी, but as the time passed, I started getting bored. But this time, I got a time for thinking, planning, imagination, and even getting idea to make this video. And अब मुझे थोड़ा आइडिया आ गया है how to manage things and how to manage time. I finally felt motivated and energetic to participate in this game called life. I started my day early in the morning, was able to get up, put on the shoes, hit on the ground, and go for a long walk or a run with my friend in my real life and not on one on my social media. started making my own breakfast with healthy and so called aesthetic ones, which I always wanted to make and never could. I was able to declutter my mind on that journal जो कुछ महीने से खाली पड़ी हुई थी. I was able to reflect, create, and think about the solutions. I was finally able to sit for the studying for which I was struggling since months. And honestly, first 2-3 days I couldn't sit for more than few hours than I am supposed to. I felt tension free, like there's no Instagram, no YouTube, so there's no tension of uploading or editing any video. The first thought, shall I quit being a creator? Currently, my mind says yes. The inner voice screams even louder, no. I was able to read those books which I left reading on halfway. And the result? But this isn't the biggest benefit I have felt from deleting social media. It is my mental health. All these things of getting up early, going for a walk, journaling, studying, reading, spending time with my friends, ये सब छोटी चीज़ें सच में बहुत enjoyable लगने लगी. Finally, this started giving me the feeling of peace and I was able to focus on myself. Now, I'm not going to compare myself with others because everybody works on their pace and reach to their goals when time comes. I am gonna use my energy to finally focus on my own life while accepting and being grateful for what I have instead of comparing and wishing that I had something else. Because comparison is a thief of joy. And my dear friends, you are not late, you are on your own time. Honestly, social media has upsides too. But the way and the pace with which everybody is on social media, even the last time when I was on my appointment with the doctor, kids, they were all head down, staring at their phones. Luckily or unluckily, I had no network on my phone and I was able to observe it. So, my dear friends, I dare you to ask yourself this simple question. What would be the first thing you would do when you find yourself bored?